This quick and flavorful microwave masala pasta takes just 15 minutes to prepare and serves 2 to 3 people. Imagine tender pasta tossed in a vibrant blend of bold Indian spices, infused with the warm aroma of cumin, turmeric, and garam masala, all cooked effortlessly in the microwave. With a creamy touch of yogurt and fresh coriander, this dish delivers a tantalizing taste of India in every bite. Perfect for a delicious, hassle-free meal anyone can enjoy. Let's now check the ingredients. 200 grams pasta, penne or fusilli. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 1 small tomato, chopped. 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/4 cup yogurt. Salt to taste. Fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by filling a microwave-safe bowl with 2 cups of water and adding the pasta. Microwave uncovered on high for 8 to 10 minutes until the pasta is al dente. Drain excess water and set aside. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine vegetable oil, chopped onion, and cumin seeds. Microwave uncovered on high for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion is soft. Add chopped tomato, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt to the bowl. Mix well and microwave uncovered for another 2 minutes until tomatoes are soft. Stir in the cooked pasta and garam masala into the spice mixture. Mix thoroughly. Add yogurt to the bowl and combine everything evenly. Microwave uncovered for 2 more minutes to let the flavors blend. Remove from microwave and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot, garnished with additional coriander if desired. Enjoy this flavorful microwave Indian-style pasta with your friends and family.